Hi, today I'm with me DOOGEE V Max, and I'll show you how to change icon shape with X icon changer app on this device. So first we should launch the Play Store, and in the search bar we should enter the X icon changer. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, and here we'll see all of the available applications, which icons we can change. For example, let's change the Google application. Just to rename it, click here on the edit name. Here we got library with different icons. You could use them, or to take a picture right now in camera app, or to use photo from your device gallery. For example, let's use one from the available options here. For example, I'll use this one. Tap to OK on the right upper corner. Now we should just keep the ads.
Oh my god! Helen just raided my Coinmaster village!
Tap to the 6 icon. Now click Add to home screen, go to desktop, or change next icon by the same way. So this is the new Google application, and this is the default one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.